Hello everyone, my name is Sangeeta and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, this channel is all about art and creativity. So for today's painting, I have chosen Siberian Fire. So recently there was a fire in Siberia and the video of which I saw on Twitter. I wanted to make a painting to, make more awareness about the climate change and climate crisis that we are all in. So at the same time, I will also be walking you through the painting process. So as you can see, since we are making a forest scene which is burning, so that's why we'll have to choose colors which are close to the colors of fire, which is shades of yellow and oranges and red. So ensure that you have darker colors at the base that you can see here, which is black and very red flames that you can draw. So you can use any kind of brush, just ensure that you put it properly and smudge it. So now that we are done smudging, let's get on to drawing trees. So you can do that with a brush. You can see that the size of the brush is like really small in this case. Then you can start by drawing branches and all of it. So you can make a note that since Siberia or any other cold countries have very conical trees where the branches are very symmetrical on both the sides. So you can keep in mind that information while you're drawing trees, or if it's a generic artwork, you can just draw any other kind of trees. So we will continue with that. You will draw trees and then add the leaves. It can be like random brush strokes, as you can see on the screen. So go ahead and finish uh, all the trees, like wherever you have added the branches. Just fill them with random strokes, and that's how our tree will be done. So while this process gets completed, let's talk a little bit more about the climate crisis. Since you must be aware of the IPCC report recently, which said that it's a red alert for humanity. So basically, that means that we'll have to keep the current surge in global temperatures, like an average global temperature, to a minimum, because we obviously cannot shut down the operations that we are doing so far. So if you follow climate activists, they would tell you that since large corporations do emit a lot of carbon dioxide, they have like bigger carbon footprints compared to individual humans. So it's good if you are taking care of your carbon footprint and keeping it to a minimum. The actual impact level changes will come when larger corporations and governments show a political will to actually do something about the crisis that we are all in. So I wanted to make art on that, and this is like one of the things that I'm making. There are other problems that I keep an eye on, and will be making more of awareness art on that. So now that our trees are done, you can see that I have smudged the base so that it mixes well with the smoke element that we have created. Uh, what you can do next is to reduce the size of your brush. I have like made it like really small, down to like 1 pixel, and just use that to fill in more details about the trees. Since it's a forest, so we can assume that it's fairly dense. At least it looks dense at the front, because background is obviously hazy for now. So you can go ahead and fill up the whole spaces in between the individual trees with the finer details with a smaller brush. So we will wait for that. Yeah. So now that process is complete, I did some more changes to make the branches look more prominent. You can also do the same exercise. So ensure that it looks like a tree. It's up to you how much of details you want to add into the objects that you have created to represent at the front. So another thing that really struck me while watching that video was that the angle from which it was taken, the sun looked super blurry. So I tried to do the same, and as you can see, I created a circle and uh, just put that behind the tree layer. Next, we will be creating smoke. So if you really pay attention to the layer of that smoke, the opacity is like fairly less. So depending on how dense the smoke is, you can use a similar color, but you'll have to smudge it throughout. Since the smoke layer is above the sun layer, so it will just take care of keeping the whole aspect hazy and stuff. So you can experiment with the opacity layer and till you are happy about the impact that you want to create with it. So I just played around with that, added some last minute details, and just signed my work, and it was done. So that's about it. This is the painting that it's not exactly an inspiration, but more like an influenced, and more in terms of raising awareness. So there are other aspects that I I care about, like when it comes to ocean life or uh, you know uh, forest forest wildlife and such. So I will be making some similar artworks on that front, and I'll see you next time. Till then, take care, and be more educated about it, and try to join in local groups. And I will be leaving some more resources at the description, so you can check those out. So bye for now, and I'll see you next time.